We'll guide you through how to create effective lighting in Blender to really bring your 3D scenes to life. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. You'll see your 3D viewport in the center. To add lighting, go to the top left corner and click on the Add menu, then hover over Light. You'll see several options like Point, Sun, Spot, and Area. Let's start with a basic point light. Click on Point and you'll see it appear in your scene. The point light emits light equally in all directions, making it great for general illumination. Next, you'll want to position your light. Press G to grab the light and move it around, and use the X, Y, or Z keys to constrain movement along a specific axis. Once it's positioned, you can adjust its properties in the context-sensitive panel on the right. Under the Light Properties tab, you can change the power of your light. A higher wattage will make your scene brighter. You can also change the color of the light here to match the mood you want. Now, let's experiment with a sunlight. Adding a sunlight works similarly, but it simulates sunlight and affects the entire scene uniformly. After adding it, you can adjust its direction by rotating it with the R key. The rotation will change the angle of the shadows, which can greatly impact the feel of your scene. Finally, if you need softer shadows and more control over light spread, try adding an area light. It emits light from a rectangular area and is perfect for simulating large light sources like windows. Adjust the size of the area in the Light Properties tab to affect the softness of the shadows. With these tools, you can mix and match different lights to achieve the perfect look for your scene. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.